Here's a 2015 Lexus GS 350. With an aggressive attitude on performance, luxury, and safety, this GS 350 is the perfect fit for your full-throttle life. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, power telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Cars.com reports the new GS's impressive blend of nimble handling, quiet road manners, intriguing looks, and high-level interiors seem like the perfect blueprint for the brand's future. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. Experience it for yourself today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.